Okay students, now we will start the second part of the video. In first part I have explained you the chapter, and now in second part we are going to do the reading of the chapter. Okay, now we will start the reading of this chapter. The name of the chapter is bamboo curry. Now bamboo is a kind of grass which is tallest grass in the world. Okay, and it is the fastest growing plant also. Now, have you ever eaten a dish made of bamboo? Means here the author is asking us that have you ever eaten the dish made of bamboo? As you know that bamboo is used in many things, like in kacha house they use bamboo for making the door and window and roof. It is very strong and it is useful also. Let's read this picture story and find out which part of bamboo can be cooked and eaten. Means in this story we are going to know that which part of bamboo can be cooked and eaten. Okay. Here in this now they have given the story point wise. Okay. Like first, second, third, fourth point are given, and the story is divided into 10 points. Okay, now we will start. One day, the mother-in-law of Santhal bridegroom cooked a special dish for him when he visited her. Means bridegroom यानी दूल्हा जो जिसकी नई नई शादी होती है ना, that came to visit his mother-in-law, and his mother-in-law has cooked a special dish for him. This curry is delicious. What is it? The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. Mean when his son-in-law eated that curry, na, he asked her that from what you have made this. So what she does, she just pointed at the bamboo door. Means she is trying to tell him that I have made this curry from the bamboo. Next morning, just as he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. Means after eating that curry na, on the next day when he was supposed to go to his village, he remembered it means उसे याद आया that there was no bamboo in his village. So he removed the bamboo door and carrying it with him left for his home. So what he did, he just removed the door of his mother-in-law's house and carried it with him to his village. Means उसने क्या किया, उसने जो बाम्बू का डोर था उसके मदर इन लॉ के घर का वो उसने उखाड़ के अपने साथ ले लिया जब वो अपने घर जा रहा था. On reaching his village, he told his wife, make curry with this bamboo door. When he reached his home, his village, he told his wife that make a curry by using this bamboo door. Means he was trying to say her that make curry. उसने अपनी वाइफ से कहा कि तुम मेरे लिए एक अच्छी सी करी बनाओ इस बाम्बू डोर को यूज़ करके. Okay, now this the end of the second part of our video. In third video we will read the next part of the chapter. Okay.